Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So finally the complete detailed notification of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has been released. So 2 days back I had made a video on HAL regarding the short notification which was released on newspaper. So finally the complete details has been released. Now let us see one by one like the various description that has been provided in the notification. Okay. So the number of vacancies has been divided among different things. So for design trainee, aeronautical electronics mechanical, and management trainee, that is EMT, computer science, electrical electronics mechanical production, and the number of vacancies are also been present here. Okay, and the job location, that is the main offices that are present in India are in Bengaluru and Nasik, Koraput, Lucknow, Kanpur, and Korwa. These are the places where the HAL regional offices are present, and most probably your job location will also be in these five places itself. So the other details are the OBC NCL. So the students who belong to OBC non-creamy layer should not the certificate should not be older than 6 months as on 2/3/2022. So that is with this date as reference, the OBC certificate must be between September 2 to March 2. So the OBC NCL certificate must be obtained between September 2nd and March 2nd of 2022. Okay, please remember that. So now let us see the important thing, that is the educational qualification. Okay, the first one is bachelor's degree in engineering technology, that's equivalent after 10 plus 2. So this is for the first post, design trainee. So here for aeronautics, electronics and mechanical, you need to have the specific engineering and the allied branches that has been mentioned here. And for management trainee technical, the same thing has been provided: electrical, electronics, mechanical and production. The allied branches are also present here. So if you have done these allied branches also, then you are eligible. And for computer science also, everything we need to have a engineering for the starting three posts, but for the last post there are some certain changes, we will look into it. So for the posts of management trainee, the eligibility is quite different. For HR, you need to have regular full-time bachelor's degree with 2 year regular full-time PG degree or MBA or PG diploma or MA with specialization in human resources, personal management, industrial relation, or any of these things that has been mentioned in this column. For legal, you need to have a regular or full-time bachelor's law, that is 5 years, and just the thing is you don't need any experience. And for finance, you need to have regular full-time bachelor's degree with a pass in final examination of CA. So you need to have passed the final examination of CA. That is very important for finance. So the marks, the percentage that you need to have in your degree is 60% for unreserved OBC, NCL and EWS, whereas it is for 50% for SC, ST and PWD, and it depends upon the different posts. And the fees is very less, as I said. The fees is very less in my previous video also, so it is just 500 rupees for unreserved OBC and EWS category students, and it is free of cost for SC, ST and PWD. Okay, the last date for application is 2nd March. Please remember that also. So the selection process will comprise of all India based online selection test and interview. Candidates who fulfill the prescribed eligibility will be called for an online test. So it will be based on your degree subject itself. So you need to be thorough with your degree subject. So the test will be of 2.5 hours, which consists of multiple choice questions. Part 1 will be of 20 MCQs on general awareness, whereas part 2 will be on 40 for English and reasoning, and part 3 will consist of 100 questions on concerned discipline. So there will be 160 questions, out of which 100 will be from degree discipline and 60 from the general awareness and English. And during the training period itself, you will get a payment of 40,000, and DNS allowance, canteen allowance, everything will be provided. Okay, so and it will reach up to 1,40,000. So CTC is very high here. And housing rent allowance, company accommodation will be provided. Most probably the accommodation will be itself provided. If it is not available, then housing rent allowance will be given. And the date of examination is on the 7th of April. So it has been already given that the examination will be on 7th of April, and the declaration of result will also be on 12th of April itself. So there won't be any delay in the recruitment cycle. So as soon as they select you, as soon as you write the exam, will be selected. Okay, then the interview will be conducted. So everything will be very quick and crisp here. So if you're eligible, you can surely apply for this job. So these were the complete details, guys. I'll pin the PDF in the description box. From there you can go through the PDF again. That's all for today. Thank you.